Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I am Dr. Ahmad Wahid Khan, PGR MPH Community Medicine Department, King Edward Medical University. My supervisor is Professor Dr. Saira Afzal. Today, the topic of my presentation is arthritis. Learning outline. What is arthritis? What are different type of arthritis? Each type of arthritis with its causes, prevalence, treatment, and other facts. Difference between rheumatoid and osteoarthritis, general causes of arthritis, risk factors, diagnosis, and treatment. Learning outcome. At the end of this presentation, the participant will be able to have a broad overview of arthritis, its definition, types, their subsequent causes, differences, risk factor, as well as how to diagnose and treat each type. Arthritis. What is arthritis? Arthritis refer to more than 100 rheumatic disease and condition that affect joints. These conditions tend to involve pain, aching, stiffness, and swelling in and around one or more joints. The word arthritis means joint inflammation. However, inflammation may also affect the tendons and ligaments surrounding the joint. The symptoms can develop gradually or suddenly and may impair a person's ability to perform everyday tasks. The most common form of arthritis is osteoarthritis. Other common rheumatic conditions include gout, rheumatoid arthritis. Arthritis is swelling and tenderness of one or more joint. The main symptom of arthritis are joint pain, stiffness, which typically worsen with age. The most common types of arthritis are osteoarthritis and rheumatoid arthritis. Osteoarthritis causes cartilage, the hard, slippery tissue that covers the end of bone where they form a joint to break down. Rheumatoid arthritis is a disease in which the immune system attacks the joint, beginning with the lining of joint. Uric acid crystal which form when there's too much uric acid in your blood can cause gout, infection, or underlying disease such as psoriasis or lupus can cause other type of arthritis. Treatment vary depending on the type of arthritis. The main goal of arthritis treatment are to reduce symptoms and improve quality of life. What are the different type of arthritis? Arthritis is a broad term that describes more than 100 different joint conditions. The most common type of arthritis include osteoarthritis or wear and tear arthritis, which develops when joint cartilage breaks down from repeated stress. It is most common form of arthritis. Ankylosis spondylitis or arthritis of spine, usually your lower back. Juvenile arthritis, a disorder with where the immune system attack the tissue around joint. Juvenile arthritis typically affects children 16 or younger age. Gout, a disease that cause hard crystal of uric acid to form in your joints. Psoriatic arthritis, joint inflammation that develops in people with psoriasis. Autoimmune disorder that cause skin irritation. Rheumatoid arthritis, a disease that cause the immune system to attack synovial membrane in your joints. Osteoarthritis, also known as degenerative joint disease, is the most common type of arthritis. Osteoarthritis is more likely to develop as people age. The change in osteoarthritis usually occurs slowly over many years, though there are occupational exceptions. Inflammation and injury to the joint cause bony changes, deterioration of tendons, ligament, and breakdown of cartilage, resulting in pain, swelling, and deformity of the joint. There are two main types of osteoarthritis. Primary, most common, generalized primary affects the fingers, thumbs, spine, hip, knees, and the great big toe. Secondary occur with a Pre-existing joint abnormality, including injury or trauma such as repetitive or sport-related inflammatory arthritis such as rheumatoid, psoriatic, or gout, infectious arthritis, genetic joint disorders such as Ehlers-Danlos. Who is affected by arthritis, osteoarthritis? Approximately 80% of older adults ages 55 years or older have evidence of arthritis on X-ray. Being obese also increase your risk of these. An estimated 60% experience symptoms. It is estimated that 240 million adults worldwide have symptomatic osteoarthritis, including more than 30 million US adults. Postmenopausal women have an increased incidence of knee osteoarthritis compared to men. Symptoms of osteoarthritis often develop slowly and worsen over time. Sign and symptom of osteoarthritis includes pain, stiffness, joint stiffness might the most noticeable upon awaking or if after being inactive. Tenderness, loss of fixed flexibility, grating sensation, bone spurs and swelling. Ankylosing spondylitis is a form of arthritis that causes chronic spine inflammation. AS inflames the sacroiliac joint located between the base of the spine and pelvis. This inflammation, called sacroiliitis, is one of the first signs of AS inflammation, often spread to joint between the vertebra. This condition is known as spondylitis. Some people with AS experience severe persistent back and hip pain and stiffness. Others have milder symptoms that come and go over time. New bone formations may fuse vertebra sections together, making the spine rigid. This condition is called ankylosis. What causes ankylosing spondylitis? About 95% of people who have AS have a variation of human leukocyte antigen B gene. This changed or mutated gene produces a protein called HLA-B27 that increases disease risk. However, most people with a mutated HLA-B gene don't get AS. In fact, 80% of children who inherit the mutate gene from a parent with AS do not develop the disease. More than 60 genes have been linked to the condition. Having one of these conditions may also increases your risk, like Crohn's disease, ulcerative colitis, psoriasis. Juvenile idiopathic arthritis is the most common type of arthritis that affects children. It is a chronic disease that causes affect joint in any part of the body. GIA is an autoimmune disease in which the body immune system mistakenly target the synovium, the tissue that lines the inside of the joint, and the synovial fluid of the in the joint. This causes the synovium to make extra synovial fluid, which leads to swelling, pain, and stiffness in the joint. This process can spread to the nearby tissue, eventually damaging cartilage and bone. Other areas of the body, especially the eyes, may also affected by the inflammation. It is if it is not treated, it can interfere with a child's normal growth and development. These are the symptoms of juvenile idiopathic arthritis, which include generalized lymphadenopathy, peritonitis, hepatomegaly, splenomegaly, arthritis, synovitis. Gout is a painful form of arthritis when your body has extra uric acid. Sharp crystal may form in the big toe or other joint, causing episode of swelling and pain called gout attack. Gout is treatable with medication and changes in diet and lifestyle. What is gout? Doctor place gout under the umbrella term arthritis, a broad range of joint disease and joint pain. Some form of arthritis inflame joint while other don't. Gout is a common form of inflammatory arthritis. It is due to crystal called uric acid. Gout causes pain and swelling in one or more joint. It is typically affected the big toe, but it is also found in other joint, including the knee, ankle, foot, wrist, and elbow. Gout is the disease resulting from the deposition of urate crystal caused by the overproduction of under excretion of uric acid. The disease is often but not always associated with elevated uric acid level. Clinical manifestation include acute and chronic arthritis, tophi, interstitial renal disease, and uric acid nephrolithiasis. The diagnosis is based on the identification of uric acid crystal in joint, tissues, or body fluid. Treatment goal include termination of the acute attack, prevention of recurrent attack, and preventing of complication associated with the deposition of urate crystal in tissues. Pathogenesis hyperuricemia is defined as a serum uric acid concentration above 7 mg per dl. This concentration is also the limit of solubility for monosodium urate in plasma. At level of 8 mg per dl or greater, monosodium urate is more likely to precipitate in tissue. At a pH of 7, more than 90% of uric acid exists as a monosodium urate. Uric acid, the end product of purine metabolism, is a waste product that has no physiological role. Human lag uricase, an enzyme that break down uric acid into a more water soluble product, thus preventing uric acid accumulation. Increased serum uric acid concentration is a result of either overproduction or under secretion of uric acid. In 90% of patient, gout is caused by under excretion of uric acid. Although hyperuricemia is a risk factor for the development of gout, the exact relationship between the hyperuricemia and acute gout is unclear. Acute gout arthritis can occur in the presence of normal serum uric acid concentration. Conversely, many person with hyperuricemia never experience an attack of gouty arthritis. Hyperuricemia can have many causes. Serum uric acid level become elevated in any disorder that result in the proliferation of cells or the excessive turnover of nucleoproteins. Who is affected by gout can affect anyone. It usually occur earlier in men than the woman. It generally occur after menopause in women. Men can be 3 times more likely than women to get it because they have higher level of uric acid most of their lives. Women reach these uric acid level after menopause. People are more likely to get gout if they have overweight, obesity, congestive heart failure, diabetes, family history of gout, hypertension, kidney disease. You are also more likely to develop gout if you consume a diet high in animal protein, consume significant of amount of alcohol, or are on water pills, diuretics. How is gout treated? Your healthcare provider may prescribe certain medication to treat gout. Pharmacological therapy can be initiated within 24 hours once the acute gout attack has been taken place. Some drug help control symptom. NSAID, colchicine can reduce inflammation or pain. If you take it within 24 hours of gout attack, it's given by mouth. Corticosteroid drugs that help lower your level of uric acid in your body to prevent or reduce future episode. Allopurinol taken as a pill, first line. Febuxostate taken as a pill. Pegloticase given as intravenous infusion. Probenecid taken as a pill. Psoriatic arthritis. Up to 30% of the people with psoriasis can develop psoriatic arthritis. Although there is no cure for this condition, understanding the disease and knowing what to expect can help reduce discomfort, stress, and fatigue. Psoriatic arthritis is a form of inflammatory arthritis characterized by joint pain, swelling, and morning stiffness. It is associated with having psoriasis or a family history of psoriasis. Both psoriasis and psoriatic arthritis are chronic autoimmune disease, meaning condition in which certain cell of body attack other cell and tissue of the body. Psoriatic arthritis can vary from mild to severe. It can present in the following way: oligoarticular affect four or few joints in the body, polyarticular affecting four or more joints, spondylitis less common and affecting the spine, hip, and shoulder. The cause of psoriatic arthritis is unknown. Researchers suspect that it developed from combination of genetic and environmental factors. Recent research has shows that people with psoriatic arthritis have an increased level of tumor necrosis factor in their joint and affecting affected skin area. Rheumatoid arthritis is a type of arthritis where your immune system attack the tissue lining of the joint on both sides of your body. It may affect other part of your body too. The exact causes unknown. Treatment option include lifestyle changes, physical therapy, occupational therapy, nutritional therapy, medication, and surgery. Rheumatoid arthritis is an autoimmune disease that is chronic. It occurs in the joint on both sides of your body, which make it different from other type of arthritis. You may have symptom of pain and inflammation in your fingers, hands, wrist, knees, ankle, feet, and toe joints. Uncontrolled inflammation damage cartilage, which normally act as a shock absorber in your joint. In time, this can deform your joint. Eventually, your bone itself erodes. This can lead to the fusion of your joints. Specific cell in your immune system aid this process. These substances are produced in your joint but also circulate and cause symptoms throughout your body. In addition to affecting your joint, rheumatoid arthritis sometimes affect other parts of your body, including your skin, eye, mouth, lung, heart. How to diagnose a rheumatoid arthritis? By physical examination and family history, RF and anti-CCP blood test, ESR, and X-rays. Common RA treatment include NSAID, DMARDs, biologics, and steroids. Osteoarthritis, this is the difference between osteoarthritis and rheumatoid arthritis. Osteoarthritis is a degenerative joint disorder, while the rheumatoid arthritis is an autoimmune disease. Onset of osteoarthritis develop gradually over year as the joint cartilage wear away, while the for RA the onset develop and worsen over several weeks or months. Osteoarthritis is the most prevalent form of arthritis affecting more than 30 million adults in the United States. Location common in hip, knee, lower back, neck, feet, and finger joint. Joint stiffness mild in the morning and occur after a few hours of inactivity during the day. Symptom joint pain, stiffness, muscle weakness, reduced motion, cracking. Treatment include pain, medicine, heat or ice, weight loss, exercise, and surgery. While for RA, the location can appear in any joint common in hand, wrist, and feet. Joint stiffness, prolonged hours of stiffness, and takes longer or to subside. Symptoms include pain, stiffness, inflammation, bumps or nodule, fatigue, fever, loss of appetite. Treatment, rest, splint, balanced diet, exercise, and healthy weight. Myths are that corticosteroids are safer than newer drugs such as biologics. This isn't necessarily to take infection risk. For example, while you hear lot about infection risk in the rapid fire side effects, recitation in aid for biological, the lack of aid for corticosteroids should not make you assume the risk is less. In many large studies of the risk of infection when taking corticosteroid, conventional disease modifying drug and biological agent, the highest risk of infection in the is in the group of patient exposed to prednisone, and the risk goes up with higher doses. The benefits and the risk of biologics and corticosteroid vary depends on the specifics of your health, including other medical condition you have in addition to arthritis. It is best to discuss the relative benefit and risks of different type of drug with your rheumatologist. Steroids are used sparingly for conditions such as RA because of the side effects. In the smallest possible dose for the shortest time they can give as tablet or injection by infusion. Corticosteroid was used for the first time for RA in the late 1940s. In 1950 to 51, cortisone and hydrocortisone were developed as a tablet and joint injection. By the 1960s, all the side effect of steroid use had been reported. The development of non-NSAIDs enable the steroid dose to be lower and used much more for short courses. By the 1970s, the introduction of methotrexate has a significant impact on controlling rheumatological condition while also allowing further reduction in steroid dose and use of short courses. Although the widespread use of methotrexate did not really happen until the early to mid. What causes arthritis may be caused by wear tear of joint from overuse, age, injuries, obesity, autoimmune disorders, genes, or family muscle weakness. How to diagnose arthritis? Seeing your primary care physician is a good first step. If you are unsure who to see for arthritis diagnosis, they will perform a physical examination to check for fluid around the joint, warm or red joint, the document the range of the motion. Your doctor can refer you to a specialist if needed. If you are experiencing severe symptom, you may choose to schedule an appointment with a rheumatologist first. Documenting inflammation level in your blood and aspirating and analyzing joint fluid, if present, can help your doctor determine what kind of arthritis you have. Blood tests that check for specific type and of antibodies like anti-CCP R factor and anti-nuclear antibody, also common diagnostic test. Doctor commonly use scanning such as X-ray, MRI, CT scan. How to treat arthritis? The main goal treatment to reduce the amount of pain you are experiencing and the prevent additional damage to the joint. In general treatment, a combination of medication, supplement, physical therapy, occupational therapy, nutrients-rich diet, regular exercise, weight loss, heat and cold compression, mobility assistance device. Medicine include analgesic, NSAIDs, menthol or capsaicin creams, steroid like prednisone, immunosuppressant, and DMARDs and biological are being prescribed. Supplement like fish oil, turmeric supplement may help reduce inflammation in RA. Surgeries to replace your joint with an artificial one may be an option. Physical therapy involving exercise that helps strengthen the muscle around the affected joint is a core component of arthritis. Recent update. Early referral recommendation for newly diagnosed rheumatoid arthritis, evidence-based development of the clinical guide, abstract background effective treatment of the active rheumatoid arthritis require early diagnosis and early disease modifying anti-rheumatic drugs treatment to have an impact on long-term morbidity and mortality. Clinical criteria would facilitate early referral of the patient with suspected RA to the rheumatologist for definitive diagnosis and initiation of DMAR treatment that point in the disease most likely to have an impact on the long-term outcome. Objective to develop referral recommendation that may serve as a clinical guide for primary care doctor, enabling them to identify a patient with suspected RA during the inflammation. Result, the clinical evidence strongly support the observation that structural damage occur early in active RA and that early DMARD treatment improves the long-term outcome of the disease. The observation indicate that rapid referral to the rheumatologist is advised when RA is suspected. This may be supported by the presence of any of the following: three or more joint swelling, metatarsaropharyngeal or metacarpopharyngeal involvement, and morning stiffness of more than 30 minutes. MCQ number one: a man 65-year-old age developed pain and stiffness in this his knee, which progressively got worsened over a span of 7 years. Following an injury, he has lost some flexibility of his knee joint and experience grafting sensation upon movement. What condition is he suffering? Option A is osteoarthritis, option B rheumatoid arthritis, option C gout, option D psoriatic arthritis, option E is ankylosing spondylitis. The correct answer is A, osteoarthritis. Question number two: a postmenopausal woman with incidence of a knee pain was diagnosed with osteoarthritis on X-ray. Which part of joint does this type of arthritis usually affect? Option A is bone, option B cartilage, option C tendon, option D bursa, option E is ligament. The correct answer is B, cartilage. Question 3: osteoarthritis, also known as degenerative joint disease, is the most common type of arthritis. Inflammation and injury to the joint cause bony changes, deterioration of tendon and ligament, and breakdown of cartilage, resulting in pain, swelling, deformity of the joint. Which of these make it more likely to get osteoarthritis? Option A is young age. Option B, excess body weight. Option C, too little body weight. Option D, back pain. Option E, African Americans.
B.
C.
B is the
C.
right answer. B is the right answer. Question number four: a 40-year-old obese man with a poor drinking habits developed pain and swelling in the big toe. Upon visiting the doctor, he was diagnosed with the gout. What is recommended as a first-line therapy for the gout? Probenicid, allopurinol, or febuxostate, benzbromarone, Panadol. Anyone
B.
want?
C.
B is the right answer. Question number five: based on the previous scenario, pharmacological therapy can be initiated after how long once the acute gout attack has taken place? Option A, after 48 hours, option B, within 1 hour, option C, within 24 hours, option D, after 24 hours, option E is after 2 days.
A.
C.
The
C.
C is the right answer, within 24 hours. Question number six: a 64-year-old diabetic man with the 15-year history of seropositive polyarticular RA is currently treated with prednisolone 5 mg daily and methotrexate 12.5 mg weekly for the past 3 weeks. His right knee joint have become progressively painful. On examination, show warm synovitis and obvious knee effusion in the right knee with the stress pain. The other affected joint in his hand, wrist, elbow, and 4 feet show some minor abnormality but no synovitis. Which of the following would you do at your clinic? Option A, admit the patient straight to the ward, aspirate and inject the right knee with steroid. Option C, take blood for C-reactive protein. Option D, increase methotrexate dose. And option E is undertake an X-ray examination of the knee. A is the right answer.
B,
Question number 7. RA should be suspected in patient with polyarticular symmetric arthritis, particular if the wrist and second and third carpal pharyngeal joint are involved. Alternative diagnosis should be suspect in which of the following? Option A, patient with subcutaneous rheumatoid nodule. Option B, patient without distal interphalangeal joint symptom. Patient with prominent lumbar symptom. Option D, patient with low RF titer. Option E is patient with fever above 100 degree.
A,
C is the right answer. Question
B,
number 8. RA is a relatively common autoimmune disease with multiple treatment options. Which of the following is an example of a drug class that have been shown to halt or reverse the progression of the disease? Option A, aspirin. Option B, azathioprine. Option C, everolimus. Option D, methotrexate. And option E is prednisone.
A, B,
D, methotrexate is the right answer. Question 9. AS is a form of arthritis that cause chronic spine inflammation. AS inflames the sacroiliac joint located between the base of the spine and pelvis. What does ankylosing spondylitis have a common with psoriasis and Crohn's disease? Option A is they are all contagious. They are all autoimmune disease. They are most common in America. They have prominent skin condition, typically found in children. Anyone want to answer this question?
B,
B is the
B,
right
B,
answer. Exactly.
B,
Question number 10. A 50-year-old woman having variation of the HLA-B gene have developed inflammation of the sacroiliac joint located between the base of the spine and pelvis. The doctor said having ulcerative colitis also increase her risk of the condition she is suffering. What type of arthritis has she developed? Option A, osteoarthritis. Option B, rheumatoid arthritis. Option C, gout. Option D, psoriatic arthritis. Option E is ankylosing spondylitis.
B,
E is the right answer. This is the key of these MCQs. These are the references through which this presentation has been made. Thank you. Here is the link of our YouTube channel. You can get this presentation from this link.
Thank you very much, Dr. Amath. If you please stop the recording.